Alright, Shaq Talk Stocks, we back. Another day, another video. Alright guys, we got some quick news right now. Just bring you guys some news. So BITMEX, I don't know how many of you guys use this trading platform. I heard of them before, but they just got charged. A couple dudes in jail. Let's talk about it, man. So alright, read the article. BITMEX charged with U.S. rules violation. Owners face criminal charges in prison. Don't pass go, go straight to jail. Alright, so these dudes, they were using basically their trading platform to enact transactions and do all kind of crazy stuff without reporting how much they were making. I heard they made trillions, laundering money and all kind of stuff, all kind of crazy stuff within the U.S. So the feds ran down on them. You know how that go. They always watching. And these dudes, they've been booming and busting since 2014. So that's what the feds do, man. They build a case and then they come in and grab everybody one by one. Cause they know you gonna probably snitch and say he was the head of the organization and this dude gonna snitch on that dude. But let's read the article. Cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform BitMEX has been charged with illegally operating in the U.S. Concurrently, its executives, including CEO Arthur Hayes, has been charged with violations of the Bank Secrecy Act and facing prison sentences. One of BitMEX's founders already arrested. So one dude already in jail. That's what they do. Grab one dude, and he gonna tell the whole story. So BitMEX and owners charged in the U.S. These dudes is from Hong Kong. One dude I think out of Boston, Buffalo. Next dude out of the United Kingdom, Boston. So it was like they was hitting all over the world. Like they got setups. If that's how you're gonna do it, if you got a setup, if you got an operation running in Georgia, you gotta have an operation running in LA, and then one in Texas. You know what I mean? You gotta set up. That's how you cover the most ground. Federal prosecutors and the Commodity Future Trading Commission, the CFTC, they basically the SEC of the crypto world, independently announced parallel actions against the cryptocurrency derivative trading platform BitMEX. The CFTC has charged 5 entities and 3 individuals that own and operate BitMEX with operating an unregistered trading platform and violating multiple CFTC rules, including failing to implement required money laundering procedures. So dudes was laundering money out here, man. The 3 BitMEX owners indicted are Arthur Hayes, 34 of Buffalo and Hong Kong, Delo, 36 of the United Kingdom, Samuel Reed, 31 of Massachusetts, homeboy out of Boston. The entities are HDR Global Trading Limited, 100 Times Holding. This their companies. ABS Global Trading, Shine Effort Limited, and Bermuda Limited, BitMEX. CFTC announced details. They seek this orange man, all these big words, ill-gotten gains. Basically, dudes fail to say how much money they're making. That's all that is. The CFTC complaint alleged between at least November 2014 and the present, BitMEX has illegally offered leveraged retail commodity transactions, futures, options, swaps on currencies including Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin, allowing traders to use leverages of up to 100 to 1 when entering transactions on the platform. During that time, the CFTC says that BitMEX facilitated cryptocurrency derivative transactions worth trillions, earning more than $1 billion in fees. And they ain't paying none of that. Yeah, the Fed's watching, man. And one thing they ain't watching. In addition, the U.S. Department of Justice announced Thursday that the U.S. District Attorney of New York has indicted Hayes, Delo, Reed, and Gregory, 37 of Australia and Bermuda. So they're all over the world for violating the Bank Secrecy Act and conspiring to violate the Bank Secrecy Act. That's big time. That's big Fed time. The Justice Department alleged that the 4 knew they were needed to implement the AML and KC, know your customers measures, since their crypto platform served U.S. customers. I don't know if these dudes thought they were like TikTok that could operate in the U.S. without any charges coming upon them. Y'all not big enough, man. However, the company's policies were toothless or easily overridden to serve BitMEX's bottom line goal of obtaining revenue through the U.S. market without regards to the U.S. regulation. Gotta follow the rules. The defendants are each charged with 1 count of violating the Bank Secrecy Act and 1 count of conspiring to violate the Bank Secrecy Act. Each of them carry a minimum of 5 years. Ain't too bad. It's kind of light. You probably got to pay a fine. The Justice Department note that the maximum potential sentences are prescribed by Congress, and individual sentence will be determined by the judge. Responding to the announcement by the CFTC and the DOJ, Department of Justice, BITMEX issued a statement clarifying its position. Besides assuring users that the platform is operating as normal, including withdrawals, yeah, you can go right now onto the platform. It's still up, and all funds are safe. The company affirmed, "We strongly disagree with the U.S. government heavy-handed decision to bring these charges, and intend to defend these allegations." Good luck, bro. The feds usually got a lot of evidence, and once they come, they ain't coming for no reason. For our early days of startup, we have always sought to comply with the applicable U.S. laws, as those laws were understood at the time and based on available guidance, BitMEX concluded. And that's the end of the news, man. Just bring you out that little quick news. Shaq Talk Stocks, aka Shaq Talk News.